After age 40, your metabolism naturally slows down, but certain foods can actually help your body burn fat more efficiently. In this video, we ranked 24 everyday foods that may support fat burning, and the #1 food might surprise you. Let's start with number 24. Cucumber. Very low in calories and high in water, helping reduce hunger and control overall calorie intake. Onions contain antioxidants that support healthy metabolism and overall wellness. Strawberries. Low-calorie fruit packed with fiber to help manage cravings. Apples. Rich in soluble fiber that promotes fullness and better digestion. Sweet potatoes. Slow-digesting carbs that provide steady energy and prevent crashes. Olive oil. Healthy fats that improve satiety and support heart health. Lean beef. High-quality protein that helps preserve muscle after 40. Cottage cheese. Slow-digesting protein that reduces nighttime hunger. Garlic. Contains natural compounds that support metabolic function. Spinach. Low-calorie leafy green rich in nutrients and fiber. Broccoli. High in fiber to increase fullness and support digestion. Oats. Rich in beta-glucan fiber to stabilize blood sugar levels. Lentils. Plant-based protein and fiber combo for appetite control. Almonds. Healthy fats and protein that help reduce overeating. Chia seeds. Loaded with fiber and omega-3s that promote fullness. Blueberries. Packed with antioxidants that support metabolic health. Greek yogurt. High-protein food that supports muscle and reduces cravings. Chicken breast. Lean protein that boosts satiety and supports metabolism. Chili peppers. Contain capsaicin, which may support calorie burning. Black coffee. Naturally contains caffeine that may temporarily support metabolism. Green tea. Rich in catechins that may enhance fat oxidation. Eggs. High in protein to increase fullness and reduce calorie intake. Avocados. Healthy monounsaturated fats that help control appetite. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support fat metabolism, reduce inflammation, and help maintain muscle after 40. If this helped, hit subscribe to Vitality Reconstruct for easy wellness tips you can start today.